What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. To all my return subscribers, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. If it's the first time you're coming across this channel, guys, don't be afraid to become a part of the family. Just click that red button. I would appreciate it too. So guys, today I'm doing seasoned rice. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Here I have my red and green sweet pepper, my onion, scallion, thyme, my coconut milk, sweet corn, sweet peas, and carrots. Now I washed my seasoning and cut them up. I'm going to go ahead and cut them up in small slices. So now guys, I cut up my seasoning in smaller slices and I mixed out my coconut milk with water. Now I have some melted butter. So guys, if you haven't subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? Tell a friend to tell a friend. Like the video, guys, leave a comment, share me out if you can. Now I had my seasoning to my butter. I'm going to let that saute for a bit. Now I had my coconut milk to my butter and my seasoning. So these are my sweet corn, my sweet peas, and carrot. So guys, I went ahead and add my rice to my coconut milk with my seasoning. So now guys, I had the sweet corn, the sweet peas, and carrot to the rice. So I'm stirring it a bit. So this is what my seasoned rice looks like, guys, when it's finished cooked. And this is the finishing, guys, of my seasoned rice served with fried plantain, brown stew chicken, and vegetables. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, click that post notification bell. Bye guys, see you in my next video.